Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salva's Delicious Kitchen. And advance Eid wishes to everyone those who are celebrating Eid tomorrow. May Almighty bless you all. And when we say Eid, so surely today's recipe had to be something what you can make on Eid and make your Eid an extra special one. So here I have a recipe of Vermicelli Bites which is gonna be ready in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. It's just gonna be made with 3 ingredients and ready in 3 minutes, but super duper delicious one. So I really want you all to make this for this Eid and make it a special one. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you did not miss any of my upcoming uploads. Ingredients are given at the description box below. Please do check it from there. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients what we need to make this super quick recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup full of fried vermicelli, the sevenya, what we say, the very thin one which we usually use in sheer kurma. This was nearly 1 packet, just a tablespoon left in 1 packet of 150 grams. And here I have taken condensed milk of nearly 1/3 cup. You can even take 1/4 cup according to your taste. And this is a 1/4 cup of desi pure ghee. You can even take butter instead. And this is again the very thin one vermicelli, just wanted to show you guys. And here let's start to make the recipe. I have taken a white pan and heated the ghee. Once the ghee was hot, I added the vermicelli which was crushed. You can see they are very small pieces. And now you just have to toss them for around 1 minute, and then as they are already fried, so you don't need to fry them more. Add the condensed milk, again more a minute or 30 seconds depending on the flame. Just mix it well, do not dry it, because you would find it difficult to give it a shape. So let's begin to make the vermicelli bites. Here what I have is just a measuring cap of the medicine bottle. I'm sure you would find this in every house. So this is made in this one so that it gets easy for everyone to make this instantly at home. And now you can see how I filled it when the vermicelli is still hot. Still warm, not very hot. Do not burn your hands there. Just fill in the cap and then give a good tight press, and then it would release. As the ghee is already there in it, it would just slip from the bottle, and here your bites are ready, and you just have to garnish them with the pistachio or any nuts of your choice. And I also love to sprinkle some rose petals so that it gives that nice color combination of green, red and the vermicelli color. Isn't that looking gorgeous now? They are just cute bite-sized vermicelli bites. I love to call them as wormy bites. So do give a try on this, and I'm sure you will love it. And the best part about this recipe is that it doesn't need any kind of pre-preparation. It can be made instantly by anyone. Like these round ones were made by my kids, and they love joining me in making these. So do join your kids in this Eid celebration making these yummy vermicelli bites. I'm sure they will enjoy it. Coming to my extra points, just take care that you do not over fry the vermicelli while frying, and you can make this in any shape of your choice using the molds. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salva's Delicious Kitchen. And I hope you all have subscribed to my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Stay home, stay safe. Please wear your masks wherever you go. Bye bye.